Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a brow lamination from home, and yes, it is beginner friendly, so let's get to it. So for this tutorial you'll need a spoolie and a hair gel, a brow palette, a brow pencil, a concealer, and a concealer brush. First step, we're going to go ahead and grab our spoolie. Grabbing the hair gel, we're going to squeeze out about a pea size. Dipping our spoolie into the pea size amount of hair gel to get an even amount onto the tip of the brush, just only the tip of the brush. Using a medium pressure and brushing the brows up but slanted to the side. Now repeat for the other side. For this next step, you're going to go ahead and use only the tip of the spoolie and brush all the way straight across. Now repeat the process onto the other side. Make sure to look into the mirror to check if your brows are evened. Next, we're going to be using a Q-tip to remove the extra excess of hair gel. Make sure to use the opposite side of the Q-tip that's clean and clean the other brow. We're going to go ahead and let it dry a little bit before we go on to the next step. For this next step, we're going to be using a powder brow palette from Pixi, which I don't know if you can see it well, but we're using powder because it's more able to hold onto your brow than it will with a gel. Using this brush, we're going to go ahead and choose a shade from the palette, which I'm going to be using the second to last shade here. Make sure to use an up-close mirror so you can see and fill in all the areas of the brows. But first, do start off towards the ends before you reach the middle or the front of the brows, because it will darken up a lot faster when you dip it. The look that we're going for is actually more of an ombre to give that more natural effect. Be sure to dip one more time, only once, just for the opposite side of the brows, and repeat the same process. I have very sparse brows. I'm going to go in with the soft brown Revlon eyebrow pencil, and I'm going to go in and fill in all those missing gaps. Don't be afraid if you see those little dark spots, because we're going to go in and use the brush and brush it out softly. Once you're done filling in the brows, go ahead and softly brush them upwards, just so you can get all those little dark spots out of the way. And don't brush it too hard, because it'll kind of mess up the brows. And don't brush the ends of the brows, just only the front and the middle. Don't worry if your brows are looking a little funky, but concealer is what we're going to be using next in order to fix that problem. Be sure to use the lightest shade of concealer that you have in order to conceal your brows. Be sure to use only a tap and the lightest amount of concealer, because if you use too much concealer, it will be too overpowering. It will not look natural. To be sure to have an even amount for both sides of brows, tap it on the end of your hands before applying to each brows. Don't forget to conceal the top of the brows. And that is the end of the result. So they may not be sisters, but I hope you guys like it. Be sure to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.